All right, welcome to Carl and Carl. I'm Carl.
And I'm the other Carl.
And this is the news.
With the Carls. Is it the Carls or is it Carl and Carl?
Carl and Carl.
Carl and Carl.
First topic, I think it's politics.
Politics.
I don't vote.
Nope. But you should.
Oh, it's that time again.
Oh yeah, I hear it. You hear that? You hear that sound?
It's trending topics.
It's trending topics with Carl and Carl.
Yep.
Yeah, you want to check social media?
I don't have my phone on me. You gotta pull your phone up.
You want me to put my phone up?
So we can see what. Talking about trending topics.
I can't get into Twitter.
What do you mean?
I don't know my password.
We don't have much time.
I know. Do you have a password?
I don't know the password. Just email it to yourself.
You want me to email the password?
Yeah.
What's our email address?
I don't know.
You don't know the email address?
No, I don't. I think that's
our time.
That's our time.
That's it. Carl and Carl?
Carl and Carl. We'll be back next week, I think. I hope.
One.